My 2020 definitely I will go back home and I will visit my friends.
To my country, celebrate my birthday.
I plan to go to Thailand in the beginning of February last winter vacation.
I used to travel at least twice a year.
旅游，
尝遍各地美食。
Go for traveling.
I was planning on going to Korea. Actually, I have it here. Yeah, I was planning on going to Korea in February, and I couldn't go because of this virus.
Around 1 month I just stayed home, didn't go out.
The outings are limited, so we used to go out a lot, and now we can't.
出行很困难。
几乎取消掉了90%的聚会。
In the beginning, we even can't use the public transport, subway or bus.
Before entering some public place, we have to use green card.
And everywhere check your temperature.
We just wear masks now.
Wearing masks and always cleaning hands.
With missiles, family and friends.
Especially the social lockdowns made me realize more about the importance of self-time.
Most unexpected thing is maybe take the best out from the worst.
We don't know what happened next. What can we do? Just wait.
I would say that I learned to enjoy the little things. We get together at home and eat together with my friends.
I learned Chinese culture, do some exercise at home.
I just explore the city, the new places, maybe new bars.
I discovered so many more interesting things about telecommuting, having online jobs and so on. I stayed in Shanghai and this time was so fascinating.
El virus me ha enseñado a conocerme mejor a mí mismo y luchar por lo que de verdad quiero en mi vida.
I want to meet more friends.
Going back in summer vacation.
Travel, see my family again.
To earn more money.
Going out to restaurants for a nice meal.
家人健康。
I really hope this pandemic will finish soon.
全球这个疫情早点结束。
所有的社会的方方面面，我们能恢复到以前的样子。
All of people can go back to country, see family.
To travel more, back on the road.
It will be new life, it's boarding will open.
Y espero poder viajar y visitar China en el 2021.
I am very hopeful.
I hope everything will be okay next year.
С Новым годом и с наступающим Рождеством.
Les deseo un feliz año a todos y que se cumplan todos sus sueños.
祝大家工作顺利，身体健康。 所有的事情都能够牛气冲天。
Y les deseo un feliz año nuevo.
新年快乐。